Welcome. If you want to keep your personal information private and prevent Telegram from accessing your phone contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to block Telegram's access to your contacts using your device's settings. This method is quick, effective, and works on most Android devices. First, unlock your phone and head to the main settings menu. You'll usually find the settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device model. Tap on Apps to see a list of all installed applications. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Telegram. Once you spot Telegram, tap on it to open the app's info page. Here, you'll see several options related to the app, including storage, data usage, and permissions. Find and tap on Permissions. This is the control center for what Telegram can access on your phone, like your camera, microphone, location, and contacts. Look for contacts in the permissions list. By default, this might be set to allow or ask every time. To completely block Telegram from accessing your contacts, tap on Contacts, then select Don't Allow. That's it. Telegram can no longer access your phone's contact list. This means the app won't be able to sync your contacts, suggest friends based on your address book, or notify you when someone in your contacts joins Telegram. If you ever want to reverse this decision, just follow these steps again and switch the permission back to allow. Taking control of your app permissions is a simple but powerful way to protect your privacy and limit the data apps can collect about you. Thanks for watching. For more privacy tips and step-by-step guides, stay tuned and take charge of your digital life.